29th of November 2020, and I was studying for a while now. Like it is almost 5 in the morning, and I don't know whether I'll be going to sit for coding or not, because my eyes are already sore. As I don't know whether you all guys can notice it or not, but my eyes are already sore. That is why I don't know whether I'll be going to sit for coding or not. But I'll be studying for a while. Like I have to finish the topic. I haven't finished the topic yet, and I will finish the topic and then I'll be back. So I have finished the topic which I was studying previously, and I don't think I would be able to sit for coding because I am not able to focus that much. So I'll either sleep or I'll either revise something which I have previously studied, and then I'll sit for coding in the morning. It is already 7 a.m. in the morning, and I'll try to wake up at 9 and start coding. Let's see what happens. As I have finished the topic which I wanted to finish, I thought of taking a coffee break, or I thought of treating myself with a cup of coffee. I did nothing today, and I was just studying the whole day, and that is why I could not record anything. So sorry for this, and I will make up for this in the next video for sure.